Mr. Sunil, shall we start the session?
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Okay. So today we will have the wind-up session, but still we wanted to discuss on the energy, this industry 4.0. Basically, this is the industry 4.0 technologies which is normally employed, that autonomous robots, simulation, system integration, Internet of Things, cyber security, cloud computing, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, and big data. So let us see that how the IoT could be used for energy monitoring and control, like how we can save the energy using the IoT monitoring devices. So this is what the real-time monitoring analytics of the device. This is left-hand side. We can see that this is the measurement device, which is consisting of the current transformer. And these are the right-hand side, which we can say that there is a hardware and software solutions for this devices. So this device consists of an analytics which consists of the web dashboard, so from which we can measure the all the parameters such as energy and the device monitoring and everything which could be controlled basically. So this is what we can do, the remote control of the devices which we can monitor using the IoT measurement devices. And these are the benefits and services. We can identify the misuse of power and pilferage of the diesel generators, and the business owners can get to know that the machine status from anywhere, and we can have the usage per unit cost, hours, day and month and year, and machine to machine comparison. We can do it with the kind of this device, and alert on the machine erratic behavior, and daily SMS and email services which could be provided, and in-depth process parameter settings and analytics with respect to the energy basically. These are some case studies which is there in there is a company called Virgo Polymer in Chennai, where they have installed that one and they changed to the IR heaters, and the investment is 5 lakhs. They were able to save 70 units per hour. So savings per month is 5 lakhs, and the return of investment is less than 1 lakh basically. So this is what the device which is there. And so next is the Saro Enterprises. So where this is what the graph that shows the energy consumption, and the production per day is 2 lakh per pieces, and the output per hour is 16,000 per hour. And so they are able to get the return of investment 0.75 months. What do you mean by return of investment? Suppose, for example, you invest on the technology, how fast you can get back the money by investing on the energy savings basically. So these are some case studies. So most of the small and medium enterprises want to reduce the power cost and to prevent the machine breakdown. So this is the real-time device energy monitoring control, reduces the power cost, and also real-time anomaly detection. Also, they're alerting in advance when machine behaves the erratic basically. So this is what I wanted to show, that one. So this is one parameter. Any doubts are there? Please ask now. So you know all, anybody knows about the Internet of Things? Have you heard about this technology, Internet of Things? Anybody can answer? Internet of Things? Unmute your mic and then you can answer. You can unmute your mic and answer. Internet of Things. Mr. Sunil? Mr. Sunil? Are you able to hear me? Okay, somebody is answering that in which a device can be operated by medium, internet, e.g. blink. No, 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 no. This is not the answer. See, Internet of Things is a technology where there is a mixture of hardware and software. So hardware is basically the electronics, and the software is basically your cloud-based systems basically. On microcontroller based programming, you can do it, and you can do Android this thing Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a hardware by means of which you can do the programming in the Internet of Things, and through the cloud-based Wi-Fi devices, you can communicate to your mobile as well as with the computer also. So this is what Internet of Things. Is it clear? So let me share the another presentation. So let me share the another presentation for smart manufacturing. Industry 4.0 Global Summit Smart Manufacturing. So Industry 4.0 is basically consisting of different category wise. It's the first revolution, second revolution, and third revolution, and fourth revolution basically. This is what the revolution to evolution, and from telephone to smartphones. So the first telephone is at 1876, and now we are in the era of smartphone technologies. And now again, same thing which we are using is the floppy disk to cloud computing. This is also a revolution. So from floppy disk to cloud computing, 58.750 disks on top of each others are approximately the same height as the Big Ben, basically. So these three mega trends: globalization, limited resources, increasing levels of automation. So digitalization is changing our world, basically. So manufacturing revolution from industry 1.0 to industry 4.0. So basically, it is in the 18th century we had the mechanical loom, and then in 19th century we have the vintage electric conveyor belt, and 20th century we have PLC driven robots, and in 21st century we have augmented reality driven the CPS. CPS means cyber physical systems. CPS means cyber physical systems. So what is smart manufacturing? It is a broad category of manufacturing with the goal of optimizing the concept generation, production, and the product transaction. Smart manufacturing aims to take advantages of advanced information and manufacturing technologies to enable flexibility in physical processes to address a dynamic and the global market. So we have having the technology movement where the big buzz of the World Economic Forum in Davos this year is about the fourth industry revolution. As per the Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of World Economic Forum, this technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another. What does Industry 4.0 mean to us? It is more efficient, faster, more individual solutions. So smart products can be mapped from the material data, process data, material status data, machine status data, production planning data, and energy consumption, which can be related to high throughput, low production cost, consistently good quality, ready availability of the material or product. So digitization is changing our world. That's all. So have you understood the digitization concept? Anybody? Anybody can answer the concept of digitization? You can drop the message in the chat box also. I'll see. Yes. So let us discuss the interaction with everybody. So how did you find the sessions in the whole of this faculty development program? You give your feedback, please. Then we will wind up. I think we have to wind up. Yes. Anyone can? We can start sharing the feedback. Mr. Anand Raju. Anand Raju is there? Mr. Anand Teddy? Mr. Raj Rajendra?
Yes, sir.
Please answer, Mr. Anand.
Yes, sir.
So please, what did you understand from all these 5 sessions actually? I will call individually and let us have interactions.
Okay.
Tell me.
It's very interesting, sir.
Now, what you have learned out of these 5 days? What are the things which you have learned out of these 5 days?
I mostly learned about the cobots
Okay.
and how it is helpful in manufacturing or time saving.
Okay.
It is easy to programming and is handling also quite easy.
Okay.
In robots means it will be used in the fence, but in about cobot means it is quite along with the cobot also we can work with.
Okay. So have you got the certification which I told you yesterday or day before yesterday when they conducted the session?
Yes, sir.
You got certificate?
That cobot, universal cobot robot. Yesterday I done, sir.
You got the certificate?
I didn't see that. I listened to the videos and how to switch the handle the tools and how to that. I did only first one only.
Okay, good. You can check the question. This thing. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Anand. Thank you. And next is
Okay,
Mr. N. Pavani. 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 Mr. Anand Raju. Mr. Anand Raju. Okay. Bhanu Tejashree. Mr. Bhanu Tejashree. Mr. Bhanu Tejashree. Okay, no response. Bommapalli Nagarajuna. Mr. Nagarjuna.
So yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please tell me what you have learned and what are the things.
Sir, it's very nice section, sir. Cobots, artificial intelligence, IoT. Well done,
Have you
sir.
tried that universal robot? Universal robot.
Yes, sir. Five modules complete, sir.
Huh?
5 modules completed, sir.
Which one?
Sir, first, sir.
Universal robot.
Yes, sir.
You got certificate?
No, sir. 5 modules complete, sir. Completed, sir.
You would have got the certificate also, no? Did you check that this thing?
No, sir. 9 modules completed. Got certificate.
Okay. Very good. I really appreciate. So one
Okay.
Mr. Anand Teddy has done. Bommapalli Nagarjuna has done. Note down. Okay, thank you, Mr. Nagarjuna.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. And next is Mr. Bhanu Tejasri. Mr. Bhanu Tejasri. Okay. And Durga Saranya. Durga Saranya. No response. Nagendra Nag. Nagendra Nag.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, this industry 4.0 and the cobots and the robots are very useful in industry line,
Have you
sir.
done the course universal robot like how Nagarjuna and also Anand have done?
Yes, sir. I got certificate also, sir. I have completed nine modules, sir. I got certificate, sir.
You got certificate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you mail it to Mr. Sunil?
Okay, sir.
Can you mail it to Sunil, Mr. Sunil?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will mail it, sir.
Nagendra Nag. Okay, I noted that down. So Nagendra Nag. Very good. I really appreciate Mr. Nagendra Nag. I really appreciate.
Thank you very much, sir.
What is your background, Mr. Nagendra Nag?
Actually, I am from mining engineering, sir.
Mining engineering. You have done MTech or BTech?
No, sir. Actually, BTech, sir.
BTech mining engineering. You're working as a faculty?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. I really appreciate Mr. Nagendra Nag. Okay.
Thank
So how
you,
did
sir.
you
Thank you,
find the
sir.
sessions? Actually, all these sessions actually which I have taught.
Very good, sir. And by this session, I totally now understand about cobots and industry 4.0, sir. It's very
Okay.
useful, sir.
Okay. We will share all the PPTs to you all. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Nagendra Nag. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And Raji Rajeshwari. Raji Rajeshwari. Raji Rajeshwari. No response. Okay. So I think that we will wind up the session today. The strength is also very less, only 11. So any doubts, if you have any doubts, if you want to ask, please let you ask, because today is the final day. So please, if you want to ask any doubts, let me know also some doubts. Please. Hello?
Sir, these cobots and the robots are cost effective, sir?
What is your name, Mr. Nagendra Nag?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, cobot is cost effective only. One cobot will cost around 13 to 15 lakhs. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
these are tiny robots which is used to perform only limited task actually. Okay. So if
Okay,
you
sir.
go for industrial robot, they are very expensive because they perform very huge tasks actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any questions more? And so, see, for example, IIT Delhi has a cobotics department actually. IIT Delhi has a cobotics department. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can approach for any project, project scientist or something like that. You can approach them actually, IIT Delhi. So you can go to the
Okay,
Google
sir.
and then you can search. You can drop an email to them and attaching your CV and certificate also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more questions? Any more questions from anybody? Mr. Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So right now, only 11 people are connected, Mr. Sunil. What to do now?
You can continue, sir.
So, no, but I wanted to interact so that at least some doubts I can clear actually. Can we wind up the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think that I will tell you the names. You can note it down. Mr. Nagendra Nag has completed the cobotics universal robot actually. Okay.
Okay.
So he has already completed. He has got the certificate also.
Okay.
Number 2, Anand Teddy. Mr. Anand Teddy, he has also And also, and another person who is named Nagarjuna, Mummunapalli Nagarjuna. Mummunapalli
Madam,
Nagarjuna.
good evening, madam. Hello. Madam, good evening. Madam, ఇది ఒక TCF Ninja ఒకటి ఉంది కదా మేడం, అది రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యాయి. ఆగస్ట్ 13th లాస్ట్ డేట్ మేడం. ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసి ఆగస్ట్ 31st. సో దీనికి నాంది వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా, సో వాళ్ళు రెడీ టు టేకప్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేడం. సో అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆవిడ శ్రీలక్ష్మి గారు ఏం చెప్పారంటే ఒక టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ ఇస్తారు. ఆ టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ మనము కాలేజెస్ కి పంపిస్తే ఆ గ్రూప్ లో పిల్లలు జాయిన్ అవుతారు మేడం. హలో మేడం, పిల్లలు జాయిన్ అవుతారు. సో జాయిన్ అయిన అంటే ఈ రోజు పంపించాం అనుకోండి, మండే నుంచి ఒక బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మేడం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ బ్యాచ్ వచ్చేసి 100 to 150 మాక్సిమం మేడం. సో మళ్ళీ థర్స్డే కానీ వెన్స్డే కానీ ఒక బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. అంటే పిల్లలు జాయిన్ అయ్యేదాన్ని బట్టి మేడం. అదే యాక్చువల్గా ఈ రోజు పంపించారు ఆవిడ, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ పంపించారు, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ పంపించారు నాకు మొత్తం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, డే వైజ్ షెడ్యూల్, ఏమేమి కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తారు, ట్రైనర్స్ ఎవరు అనేసి. టెలిగ్రామ్ లింక్ కూడా యాక్చువల్ గా ఒక్క బ్యాచ్ కి వచ్చేసి 300 మెంబర్స్ అలౌ చేస్తారు మేడం. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి జూమ్ లింక్ 300 మెంబర్స్ లిమిట్ అంట మేడం. సో ఒకవేళ 300 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్ అయిపోయారు అనుకోండి మండే నుంచి బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. సో మేడం అదే మనం ఇప్పుడు మెయిల్ పెట్టేద్దామని మేడం కాలేజెస్ అందరికి. ఫ్రీనే మేడం, మనకి ఏం ఒక్క రూపాయి కూడా కాస్ట్ అవ్వదు. సో మెయిల్ పెట్టేనా మేడం? అదే ఒకసారి మాట చెప్దామని. అదే ఈమెయిల్ అలాగే మేడం. మీకు డీటెయిల్స్ వాట్సాప్ కూడా చేశాను మేడం, ఒకసారి చూడండి. అలాగే మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. హలో సార్. Sir, sorry, actually I have another call.
No.
Shall we wind up, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. I request the faculty, if you have any questions, please, you are welcome to ask the questions. Sir is here available at 5 more minutes. Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today's. And like, all PPTs and every required documents you will share, I will share through your emails so that you can refer for further process. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, what about certificates, sir?
Certificates we will issue on Monday or Tuesday. We will send you. Please check your email, like the email that you registered, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we will send a soft copy of certificate to that email.
Okay, thank you.
Still any questions? Please respond.
Hello.
ఎవరు
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
today feedback link లేదు sir.
టుడే నో ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అండి, క్లాస్ ఏం జరగలేదు కదా.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Sunil, we'll wind up the session.
Yeah.
Sir, another question, sir.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ కానీ ఫాలో అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఒకటి నాకు అనిపించింది ఏంటంటే చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ గా అనిపించింది సార్. అలా అంత డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉంటే టెక్నికల్లీ చాలా అప్డేట్ అయి ఉండాలి కదా సార్. మామూలు పర్సన్స్ కి టెక్నాలజీ అంటే చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది కదా సార్. అలా
ఇంకా ఎలా
కాకుండా
చెప్పాలి?
నార్మల్ అంటే సింపుల్ వేలో ఆ టెక్నాలజీ గురించి ఇంకా వేరే ఇంకా త్వరగా ఈజీగా వెళ్ళేటందుకు వేరే స్టెప్స్ ఏమన్నా అంటే మీరు ప్రిఫర్ అంటే ఈజీగా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడానికి అప్రోచింగ్ వే అనేది కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉంది సార్.
With whom you need to approach, like either me or sir?
సార్ అండ్ యూ సార్ ఆల్సో బోత్.
Any problem? So you just come into WhatsApp. So you are there in the WhatsApp group, right? You have my email, you have my phone number, and anyhow you are attending regular class. Still, what
Yes,
you
sir.
want from our side for easy communication?
No. Not about communication, sir. Modules. These cohorts are generally at the time of doing modules. I feel some difficultiness, sir. That's why I am telling.
See, it is
Okay,
an online. Like,
Mr. Nagendra Nag. Mr. Nagendra Nag.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this is a very interactive. This cobot that Universal Academy robot is a very user friendly. Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir. Okay, sir.
what you do is that if you face any problem, there is a help menu is there, because I also, when I was doing it, I have also faced the problem, Mr. Nagendra Nag. Although I am from
Okay,
technical
thank you,
background, I also
Okay,
faced
sir.
a problem, but I go into the help menu and then I got the help menu and then I read it actually all the modules.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, so if you wanted to approach, I think that I can share, Mr. Sunil, I can share my contact number.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll share if anybody wants.
You can share, you can share it to the faculty members. Like you can reach me at any time, WhatsApp, or you can call me also. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Mr. Anand
And,
Raju is asking question.
Asking questions, sir. Is there any training on hands-on?
Hands-on training. Yeah, we will try to plan hands-on training, because on that day also I arranged one session for you with the Orange Woods, but nobody responded actually. So, and if commitment is there, that we can have a hands-on training session from the Orange Woods also. We will plan. What, Mr. Sunil?
Yes, we can, sir.
Okay. Anybody? Mr. Anand Raju, please unmute yourself and you can speak.
Sir, how do I approach to that Orange Hood?
No, we will arrange. That's not a problem.
Okay, when did I call you or text you for that?
No. We will let you know. We are planning for it, and then I will consult with Mr. Sunil also, and then we will plan some hands-on training sessions actually. Okay, very soon.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Before the hands-on session, please complete the module which I told actually.
Okay, sir. I will complete that.
You complete the module, then only it will be very helpful. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the concept. Okay. So my sincere request is there. Please complete that module. Then you will get an idea that you can work on it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you for it.
Okay. Any questions, Mr. Anand Raju?
Nothing more, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, this is Anand Raju from Loyola Polytechnic from Pulvendala.
Hi, Chappandi.
నేను సివిల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అండ్ ఈ
అంటే-
సబ్జెక్ట్ నాకు కొంచెం టఫే కానీ ఇట్స్ క్వైట్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
Thank you.
రోబోటిక్స్ అనేది క్వైట్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా. ఐ హావ్ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ అబౌట్ ఐఓటి, ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. ఆ
Okay, very
బేస్
good.
బట్టి ఒక 3 మోడల్స్ వరకు ఎంతో కష్టం మీద చేశాను. బట్ కొంచెం ఈజీ వేలో ఉండింటే ఇంకా కొంచెం బెటర్ గా ఉండేదేమో అనిపించింది. ఎందుకంటే సమ్ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం వల్లనో, తర్వాత కొన్ని వాల్యూస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ అండ్ వై యాక్సిస్ తీసుకోవడం వల్ల, నెట్ ప్రాసెస్ వల్లనో, అవి థర్డ్ మోడల్స్ ఫోర్త్ మోడల్ చేసే లోపల కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఫామ్ అయిందని అనిపిస్తుంది. కానీ ఇట్స్ క్వైట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గానే ఉంది. ఏంటంటే ఒక మోడల్ సక్సెస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఇంకో మోడల్ చేసేదానికి పాసిబుల్ గా ఉంది, కానీ కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉంది సార్. అదొక్కటి కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం గా ఉంది. ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ ఇస్ ఏ వెరీ నైస్ ప్రోడక్ట్, నైస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you. Okay. So anybody who wants to give the feedback? Anybody who wants to give the feedback? Dr. MCS Madanji? Dr. MCS Madanji.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Madan, Dr. Madan.
Sir, okay, sir. Just I have joined, sir. Today we have a lab project external, sir. Till 6 o'clock, I am little bit busy with conducting project external, so I have.
Parvaledu, sir. Parvaledu.
And regarding the FDP, sir, generally APSDC, they will arrange good programs and also arrange resource persons who are very expertise in their field. That's why I had joined. Actually, they have given eligibility for all the engineering streams, so I have registered for this program, sir. And the knowledge of robots is very much limited to me.
Okay.
I am enjoying and watching all the videos and your presentations.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
And Durga Saranya ji. Durga Saranya ji.
So I am from Amalapuram, AP,
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Durga Saranya ji. Durga Saranya.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, anything else, sir?
No, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, sir. Okay, sir.
Raji Rajeshwari. Okay. So I think that I'm happy that you all gave a good feedback, and I think that so whatever the efforts which we were able to do with the help of Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation, so we were able to meet your expectations and your by sharing the knowledge base actually. So we look forward for connecting after the program also, like Mr. Sunil will share the email address and phone number also. So you can connect with me anytime, any queries, any opportunities which you want, you can share it with me, and so that I will also respond. Okay. Okay, Mr. Sunil.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Sunil?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for for conducting this type of wonderful session to the faculty of various engineering, various polytechnics.
Okay.
So really thanks on behalf of APSDC and myself.
Thank you very much.
And
Mr.
definitely we will we will ready to organize such training programs in association with you and your teams.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil, and I'm thankful to your coordination and Mr. Gunashekar Reddy ji also.
Yeah.
That it's a wonderful program and wonderful platform to interact with all the faculty members and the students also. And I really appreciate the initiative and your efforts, and also I appreciate your coordination. So really, you were able to connect. I noticed that although I'm not able to connect on time, but you get connected at 6:15 dot, like even before 6:15 also.
Yes.
That shows your discipline and dedication of the Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation in achieving the mission of skill mission.
Yes.
So I really appreciate and I'm thankful to Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation for giving me an opportunity to interact, and also I look forward for future programs where I can share my knowledge and ideas and insights also. Thank you so much, Mr. Sunil.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for all the faculty members also. Thank you.
Yeah, for faculty, if you have any questions, like you please drop an email or you call at on my number, and any questions, so that we will ready to resolve. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.